How's it going, everybody? I hope you're doing well. Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to make crispy chili beef, that classic from the Chinese restaurant or Chinese takeout. So easy to do, so tasty. I've done this recipe so many times and I thought, you know, I've never actually done a video, so here we are. Right then, what will you need? Get yourself some corn flour, some sesame seeds, some ginger, some garlic powder, some Chinese 5 spice, dark soy sauce, chili sauce, sweet chili sauce I should say, some ketchup, an onion, rice wine vinegar, some spring onions, a couple of carrots, and here I've just got some cheap steak. That's all you need, equally as tasty. Let's keep things simple, shall we? Right then, so the first thing that I'm going to do is finely slice the steak and make the marinade. So as always, let's get into it. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, I've sliced up the beef into nice strips like so. Doesn't have to be uniform, just cut it up into strips. Okay, the marinade, so simple. Get yourself some ginger and sprinkle some ginger in the bottom of a glass bowl. There's no science to it, just get some in there. No exact measurements because it tastes equally as good. Now, 5 spice, same, just sprinkle that in the bottom. And your garlic, just a quick sprinkle. You can add a little bit of black pepper if you wanted to, but yeah, each to their own, I suppose. And get yourself your soy sauce and pour that in. Incidentally, did you know that little slot there? So if it's the one way like that, it'll pour, and if you do it sideways, you get the drip, a little bit by bit. Now you know. See, everything for a reason. So I just put some of that soy sauce in there, and last the rice wine vinegar. Now what the vinegar does, it opens up all the pores and the sinews in the meat and allows all that marinade to get straight the way through into the beef. So I'll just give that a quick stir. Bear with me. And that already smells absolutely lovely. Oh wow, yeah, really good, easy to do. Now once this is in there, I'm going to give it a quick little mix up, and then I'm going to pop it in the fridge and I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes. So do what you've got to do for 30 minutes, whiz the vac round, sort that spare room out, hang the washing out, or whatever you choose to do to pass 30 minutes. I will leave that up to your imagination. Okay, so let's just mix all this up, get it all coated with that marinade, and just leave it for about half an hour. Doesn't matter if it's in longer, a couple of hours, absolutely up to you. Some people even leave it overnight, which absolutely fine if that's the case. If you've got time to do that, then go ahead and do that. So that's all nice and coated. Just give my hand a quick swill, hang on. Okay, so that is going to go in the fridge for half an hour, and after half an hour I'll get back to you, literally within a blink of an eye. And we're back. So that's the marinated beef. As you can see, it's all nicely soaked in. So if I turn that to the side, remember all that liquid that was in there originally? That's what's left, and all them flavours have gone into that beef. So that's done, smelling absolutely fantastic. So over here I have got the corn flour in a bowl, as you can see. Next we're going to do the marinade. So what will you need? Your rice vinegar, soy sauce, ketchup, sweet chili, and your sesame seeds. So let's get that done. So first of all, get yourself a little bowl, pour in some soy sauce. Depending on how big the batch you're going to do is, it's totally up to you. And the ketchup, that's running out. Oh, there you go. And the sweet chili sauce. In that goes. You can add some finely chopped jalapenos if you wanted to, or some extra chili powder. It is totally up to you. So I'm going to add the rice vinegar now, and the sesame seeds. So we're going to give that a nice stir up. So bear with me. So stir that up, get it all mixed together, and that will be your sauce for when everything goes into the wok to coat the fried beef, which I will get onto next. But we've got to go over to the flame elevator to do that, so I will finish that up. Okay, for your beef, all it is just get your strips of beef and just quickly coat it in the corn flour like so, and that will go straight into the fryer and give you a very, very nice crispy strip. So I'll start coating those. We'll go over to the flame elevator and get that done. So catch you in a minute. Okay, so here we are. So I've got my trusty Dutch oven there, got the all up to temperature. So if you haven't got one of these Dutch ovens, please do purchase one, because they're so versatile. You can do so many things. They are the original non-stick pan or pot. They really are. And if you knew what goes into them non-stick pans to make it up, you probably wouldn't buy one ever again. But that's another story. So that's up to temperature. I've got the beef coated in the corn flour there, so let's put that in and we'll start doing that. So there you go. Let's pop these in. Just a few at a time, because obviously you've still got that little bit of moisture that's in the beef, so you don't want to put too many in there, because as you can see already, see how it's really starting to pick up. So just put a few in at a time. Keep things safe, folks, keep things safe. So I've got this on I've just brought the oil up to temperature, and I've put it onto the low heat now, and these really don't take long to do. So as you can see, starting to brown up already, and that's what you want. See that? Starting to brown up. As quick as that, it really is. So I'm going to take those out. Give the camera a quick look. Oh, there you go. As easy as that. And they are so crispy and so tasty. All that flavour of marinade has gone into that beef. So yeah, I'm going to do the rest of these, and then as you can see, I've got the wok. I've got my wok out. Woohoo! And we'll get on to that next stage. So I'll just finish up here and away we go. Okay, so here we are. The wok is on. As you can probably just about tell, it's starting to smoke. So on this plate with the carrots, I've just long cut the carrots, the onion and the spring onion. And don't forget the marinade that you just did. So that's smoking. Let's stick these in. And get these stir fried slightly. And don't forget, folks, that when you're doing, when you're cooking with a wok at home, it's going to take a lot longer than what it would actually in a Chinese takeout, because they have the large burners, whereas a normal cooker really doesn't get to that that ferocity of heat. So that's why when they're cooking, it takes a very short amount of time, whereas at home, because of that reason, it takes a bit longer. Unless you've got a really posh kitchen. But it still does the same job in the end. So I will get the crispy beef out the oven, which was keeping warm. There we go. Just pop that on the side there. Talk amongst yourselves, by the way, talk amongst yourselves. It would be nice to have one of those big kitchen burners. You know, a nice big kitchen with, I'd love that. I really would. But as all of my videos, as you know, my subscribers, I like to keep things simple, as if you were stood next to me in the kitchen having a beer or having a glass of wine, we was having a chat, and I'm cooking. And that's how I like to do my videos. There's no fancy graphics and things flying across the screen, and it's just me and you and Stu's at the stove. And that's how I like to do it. You know, people want, oh yeah, no, but I mean, with me, I mean, I like to watch the videos that are on for a long time, so you've got something to sit and watch. It's not just throw this in, throw that in, throw that in, throw that in, and across the screen it's like 1 teaspoon, 3 teaspoons, and it's like, that's not the, I do things differently. Okay, so I'm happy with that now. So what we'll do, we'll put in our beef. Let me get my oven glove back on and pop the beef in. Wow, that is so crispy. And all I'm going to do is get that marinade and just pour that over there, and just gently bring it together. Like so. And there you go. That is your crispy chili beef ready to serve. You serve it with some boiled rice or egg fried rice. I've got some good recipes in my channel if you want to check those out. But that smells absolutely gorgeous and tastes gorgeous, so check this out, guys and girls. You will not be disappointed. Crispy chili beef. So if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Even better, subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I will catch you on the next video. Catch you later, folks.